Hey, what's up, guys? All right, sorry, I was just checking out some comments, man. Y'all be leaving some crazy comments. Look, we have here the DesertWest automatic car mount wireless charger. Swiftly mount and swift release. Wireless car charger, fully automatic, strong stability. All right, that's a lot. That's a whole mouthful right there. Not a whole lot to this box, man. So let's just dive right into it, man. Let's just open this thing up and see what happens. All right, nice presentation here. Everything is just set right there for you to just grab it. That's not coming out. Okay, let's take that, toss it out to the side. Let's take this out. So we got a micro USB charging cable right here. This is a mount for your vent, and it looks like, let me see here. Okay, yeah, so it's got two positions for gripping. So if you don't need to grip something so tightly, you put it on one. If you really need to grip it super tight, you flip that lever to two and it's gonna grip it super tight. Can you see that? All right, you see that little space in there? And then if you grip it right here, there's no space. That means it's an extra tight grip. So let's just put this to the side because I'm not putting it in my car vent. And then we have the suction mount right here. Is this sticky? Oh yeah, that's sticky. Let's cover that up. Okay, so we got some sticky right there. And let's see, how do you work this thing? Oh wow, this is some contraction. So you just loosen it up here, loosen it up. Okay, I got you. Okay, and then, okay, so that creates the suction. I'm not gonna take the grip off, but let's just it's already stuck to the table. So let's just stick it on the table right there. Bam! So it's stuck. I'm pretty sure it'll hold because it's got this sticky stuff on here and it's got the suction. But you can actually, you got your basically 180 degrees of swivel right here. You got some extension here. That's about what, 2.5 inches or so of extension. So very nice. I've seen it in cars where it'll be up on the dashboard just like this. And maybe you want it just coming fully out like that. Maybe you don't need that much. Or maybe if your steering wheel is on this side, maybe you have it mounted like this, and then that way you can kind of collapse it and make it more compact. It all depends on your configuration, but this is very versatile and I really like it. You can even mount this on your dashboard. I'm pretty sure you can mount this on a semi-porous dashboard. Just make sure there's not too much of a texture on that dashboard, but it does have the sticky material here. Don't be sticking it on leather either. Yeah, only the plastic dashboards, not the leather or the vinyl ones, because it could damage it. You never know. With the heat and elements and everything, you never know. Don't risk your car over a mount. All right, so then you tighten it up just like that. But let's go ahead and just kind of put this thing together. We're gonna put the mount on here. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it. Okay, there we go. So you just snap it into place and then you, what? Did you see that? Let me get this. Okay. So it is automatic and there's no battery power. Like I don't see, it's not plugged in or anything. So what? Ah, I see it. There's the sensor right there. Okay. And then you hit these buttons. That's just straight up. That's too fly. So you hit any button to loosen it, but there's a little sensor pad right here. Bam! Let's put my phone in here. We'll see what happens. Let me open it up. Then we drop my phone in there. And it's gripped. Dude, it is gripped. Oh, that is so gangster. Oh man, I like this. Let's put some power to this thing. Let's see how it works. I got my power plug right here. It's already plugged into the wall. Micro USB. Let's just plug this in here right here. Oh, this is so cool. I've never had one of these before. So let's see here. Let me just get it set. Did I see an LED? Is that really? Wait a minute. I think I seen an LED. Hold on. Oh, so it's got this red glow into this clear plastic. All right, let me aim it at you. That way you can see it. Let's see if this LED even changes color. Let's drop the phone there, set it down. Oh, so cool. Okay, is it charging though? Okay, the LED is blue now, and it's charging. Oh snap. Okay, so wait a minute. Let me see. Is it charging? Yes, it is charging. Is it fast charging though? Okay, so it says fast wireless charging, 36%, an hour and 51 minutes until fully charged. You got to be kidding me. This robotic space age, oh, you got to get you one of these, my friend. Oh my God, that is so fly. I could just open and close this thing all day. That is so, it just locks it right in place and then it starts charging. Oh man, you gotta wait like, I don't know, maybe 5, let's see how long it takes to start charging. Let's do a little time here. I'm gonna count like 1 Mississippi style. Okay, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, and it starts fast wireless charging. Dude, I'm just gonna go ahead and say, get you one of these, man. I don't even know how much it costs. Check the link in the description. I've got a link down there. Oh wow, I'm excited about this. I think this might work out in the car. I've been using the Snap wireless charger. I really like it because it uses the magnetic hold, but I'm gonna try this out for a while, man, because this is just straight up pimp stuff right here. Put that in there, it just grabs your phone, and that sound, that the other things in my car sound like this, so that's pretty cool, man. Oh man, look, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews on little tech items like this that just make my life so great. Anyways, before y'all get out of here, do me a favor, man. Hit the notification bell, tap the like button, smash the hell out of that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.